Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create an account on the Pinterest app using your PC, based on the latest update. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your computer. Once the app loads, look to the top menu where you'll find the option labeled Sign Up. Click on that to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your information. This includes your email address, a secure password, and other basic details as required. After filling in these fields, click on Create Account to move forward. The app will then lead you through a series of steps designed to personalize your experience. You'll be asked to provide additional details such as your gender, preferred language, and interests. These help Pinterest tailor the content it shows you, making your feed more relevant and enjoyable. Take your time to select your interests carefully. You can choose from a variety of categories like home decor, cooking, fashion, or travel. Once you've made your choices, proceed by clicking the next buttons as the app guides you. After completing these steps, your Pinterest account will be all set up, ready for you to start discovering and saving ideas that inspire you. Remember, the new update on the Pinterest app for PC makes this process smooth and user-friendly, so you can get started quickly without confusion. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you have your very own Pinterest account where endless inspiration waits.